Okay, now we're going to go on and install the front piece. Front piece install is kind of same way. You've got one of those brackets that's in the kit, and it mounts here. One of the little brackets, you take your screw out like we did in the rear. And then you're going to have 6 straps. You're going to have 4 long ones and 2 short ones. The long ones go in either corner, so you can put them in the same way like you did. Put them in ahead of time, put your long ones in, put your short one in the corner. You have a Dirtydog logo, which on the one corner, again, follows the same concept. Put it on the passenger side, the rear. That's how you know your top and bottom. And you go from there. So we're going to install our straps first. So we've got, these ones are a little different to install, but what we'll do is I'll try to go along here and the best way to show you. So to install the front corner here, this needs a little bit of a finagling around. So basically what you're going to have is you have your long strap in the corner. If you see where this, you follow this cut line, the seam in the metal, you're just going to push this through and push it through. It should pop out at the bottom of the windshield underneath. And if it doesn't, put a little bend in it just so it follows the contour of the windshield and the corner goes in there. And push it through again. As you can see here, it's come out the bottom through the windshield. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it all the way through and come over this side. Don't mind the length of the strap, it's too long. Yours won't be this long. You're going to put it through the ladder lock. Tighten it up. I like to put on this one here, I actually like the buckle on the underside. So your tightening buckle is actually on the underside here. So what happens is, if you got to loosen it to get your hardtop roofs on and off, it makes it easier if it's on the underside here to tighten up and loosen up after. So, and just put it on the underside. So that one's in place. Your next little one is this little one, and it lines up with that little bracket. Again, put all these on loosely. Like I said all the time, you put everything on loosely, and you're going to go around after and tighten them up. So again, this one just an inch or two. Tighten up. Okay, and we're going to do the back corner. I'll show you how that happens. Okay, your last corner strap, the back corner, as you see it here, you're going to pull it to the back here. We're going to go around, come over the top of the roll bar. We're going to go around the handle, the grab handle in the back. On this particular one, you want the ladder lock. You don't want it at the net. You actually want it here because if you're running a hardtop, depending where you position it there, your hardtop might rest on when you go to put it back on. So it just makes it better sense to put it down here. So position it roughly where you want it. Do your ladder lock. Do both sides. I've done the other side already, so we're just going to pull this one up and tighten it and adjust it. So get it tightened, get it pulled in place. Okay, and you're going to now just going to adjust, pull each corner tight, each section, each side tight, and you go through and adjust it. And again, just to get it all leveled out, equal on both sides. And you got any buckles, just pull the opposite corner, and you get a nice straight, and it puts it in place. Pull your corners really tight. The tighter you pull your corners, the better it'll sit. Keep the distance front to back equal, and then you get the corners tight, and then just tighten these ones back. And you can hide the straps the same way like I showed you on the back. And that's it, and you're done. All right, have a great day.